સર મેસેજ મૂકી દો ને એટલે બધા આવી જાય.
યસ મયંકભાઈ.
એટલે હવે નથી કરતી પણ
કેવલ પવનભાઈ અનમ્યુટ કર્યા છે. માઇક ચાલુ કરી દેજો.
હા
માઇક જેને ચાલુ કરવું હોય એ ચાલુ કરી શકે છે, અને કદાચ મેં મ્યુટ કર્યું હોય તો જસ્ટ રાઇઝ યોર હેન્ડ. આઈ કેન ઓપન.
ઘરે ટીવી ચાલુ થશે.
હા વાંધો નહીં, તો તમે બંધ કરી દેજો, ચાલશે. બરોબર. ઘરે આજુબાજુમાં અવાજ આવતો હોય તો વિડીયોની જરૂર નથી અને ઓડિયોની નથી જરૂર. જો તમે ફ્રી હો તો કરજો, ચાલો, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. મારો અવાજ તો ક્લિયર છે ને મયંકભાઈ?
હા
હા, મયંકભાઈ વ્યવસ્થિત નામ લખ્યું છે, મયંક ઓબ્લિક એનો એનરોલમેન્ટ નંબર. કારણ કે આમાં ઓટો એટેન્ડન્સ ની સિસ્ટમ છે, તો મારી પાસે ઓટોમેટિક આવી જાય. મારે ફોટો પાડવા નહીં કે પછી મીટિંગ ની અંદર એક એક નું નામ ન લેવું. યસ, સો નામ પ્રોપર લખ્યું છે. That's good. Files, resumes, full files. Yes, કેવલભાઈ, નિહાર, ગજેરા. બીજા કોઈને અનમ્યુટ થવું હોય તો કેજો, જસ્ટ રાઇઝ યોર હેન્ડ. ઓકે, પાર્ટિસિપન્ટ ઘણા આવી ગયા છે, મોર દેન 15, રાઈટ? સો આપણે ટુડે અવાજ આવે છે મારો? તમે વચ્ચે આ પડતા રહેજો એટલે મને આઈડિયા આવે કે
હા સર આવે છે.
મીટિંગ ચાલે. હા હા, કોઈ અનમ્યુટ થાવ તો કેજો. અશ્વી પટેલ અનમ્યુટ
બધાનું
કરું છું.
અનમ્યુટ જ છે સર.
એવું છે, બરોબર. હા, તો મ્યુટ ઈ લોકો કરજો કે ભાઈ જે લોકોને અવાજ આજુબાજુ મળતો. નાઉ આઈ એમ સ્ટાર્ટિંગ ધ થિંગ્સ. થોડુંક સ્પીડમાં લઈશ કારણ કે ઘણાને નેટના પ્રોબ્લેમ થતા હોય છે. કરેક્ટ કે ભાઈ નેટ
હા
ખાલી
સર.
થઈ જાય પછી પબજી રમવા માટે
ના ના વાંધો નહીં. હા સર.
કરેક્ટ, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. યસ. અને કાલનું ખાસ, આજે વાંધો નહીં, આજનું તો બધી વસ્તુ તમને પ્રેઝન્ટેશન્સમાં અને બુકમાં પણ મળી જશે. સો tomorrow's lecture is based on AutoCAD, right? As per your syllabus,
Yes, sir.
AutoCAD. તો ખાસ ઈ તમે કાલનું એક એટેન્ડ કરજો. ઇટ ઇઝ કમ્પલસરી. અને એવું હોય તો એકાદ જીબી એડ કરાવી દેજો. તમારા ટ્રાવેલિંગ કોસ્ટ તો બચે છે ને અત્યારે?
હા સર.
કદાચ. સારું, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. રાઈટ. બાકી યસ, હું પ્લાનિંગ કરું, જો આમાં એટેન્ડન્સ જાજી હશે, ઇફ યુ આર મોર દેન 40 સ્ટુડન્ટ, રાઈટ, સો આઈ ઓલ્સો અપલોડ ધીસ સેશન ઇન યુટ્યુબ. પણ હવે પછી એવું ન થાય કે પછી યુટ્યુબમાં મળી જશે બેઠા બેઠા, તો પછી નથી લાઈવ નથી થવું, રાઈટ? સો યસ, આજે ઉત્સવભાઈ આવી ગયા છે, અનમ્યુટ કરી દો ને. ઉત્સવભાઈ અનમ્યુટ કરી દો. કાલ નહોતા કદાચ. ઉત્સવ. યસ. શુભ, યસ, શુભભાઈ અનમ્યુટ કરી દો. યસ.
વરુણભાઈ હજુ નથી આવ્યા. વરુણભાઈ પબજી રમાય મારા ખ્યાલથી.
No problem. Yes, it's now 30 participant, 29 participant. Okay. Now today again the device for the same things. Development of the surface. Correct. Screen દેખાય છે proper? જે લોકો મોબાઈલમાં હોય પોર્ટ્રેટ લેન્ડસ્કેપ બોર્ડ
હા
કરી નાખજો.
સર દેખાય છે.
કરેક્ટ, લેન્ડસ્કેપ બોર્ડ કરી નાખજો. કરેક્ટ, ડેવલપમેન્ટ ઓફ સરફેસ. યસ, બોલપેન ક્યાં ગઈ? યસ. હવે એક ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછું છું, જે લોકો મ્યુટ નથી આન્સર આપજો શોર્ટમાં. તો જે લોકો કદાચ કાલ નો તહેવાર છે આમાં. સો વોટ ડુ યુ મીન બાય ધ ડેવલપમેન્ટ ઓફ સરફેસ? ટ્રાય ટુ ગિવ ધ આન્સર બાય કોન્સેપ્ટ. Development. What do you mean by the development of the surface?
કોઈ
Suppose I
બી
say
શેપ આપ્યો હોય અને કઈ રીતે ઓપન કરીશું?
yes, કોઈ બી shapes might be in third dimension, in the sense that is the actual, right? Shape ની અંદર આપણે ક્યાં ચાર કેસ આજે હું તમને સ્પીડમાં સ્ટડી કરાવું છું. I will also give you the problem statement that you need to solve in your sketchbook today. અને suppose sketchbook નથી તમારી પાસે, listen carefully. If you do not have a sketchbook right now with you, right, so you just solve by randomly and roughly in your book and send it to me in my email address. મારું email address
છે સર તમારું?
yes, so just forward your solution before tomorrow's session. You can use your pencil sketchbook, otherwise you are not using your pencil sketch set square, okay, it's okay, no problem, I don't have any problem with you, right? But do roughly solve. હું કેમ સોલ્વ કરું છું તમારી સામે roughly, correct, no worry. But concept સમજો. Suppose you have this is the cylinder, right? This is the cylinder, right? You are opening this, in the sense you are cutting from the edge, so this cutting edge, right? And another things, that is the development, in the sense you are doing flat pattern, right? You are doing the flatten that things and unfold these things, right? First of all, you have to cut from this point and open up. And આપણી પાસે shape કેટલા છે? How many shape we have available? First cylinder, second
Prism.
so consider my spelling mistake. Yes, prism in the sense your polygon. For this is your hexagon, right? Top as well as in bottom, right? So this is your prism. Cone can I guys? What is the cone? The circular is a base and top is a one point. This is the cone.
Point.
And what about the pyramid? Pyramid is a polygon. Polygon as a
Is base.
yes, is a base, and the point as a. So આમ એક family ના કહેવાય. This is the one family, prism and the pyramid. Why? If you consider the base, look, this is the polygon. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and this is the also polygon, right? અને આ પાછા એક family ના કહેવાય. Why you say this is same prism and this same family? If you consider the things, that is the, if you open, right, if you open this, you get the circumference material area. You require circumference material area, correct? If you want to open આ રીતે જુઓ તો this is the straight edge, this is the both end is single point, right? આ રીતે જુઓ તો this is the your common for case. Now I am considering, I am giving you some problem statement. Suppose the cylinder કાલ કર્યો હતો, કાલે શું કર્યું હતું? પિરામિડ કર્યો હતો. કેવો કર્યો હતો? In yesterday's lecture
પિરામિડ કર્યો હતો.
pyramid કર્યો હતો. Now
કોણ
we
કર્યો
have
હતો
to
કાલે?
કોણ કર્યો હતો? Okay, now we have to consider the cylinder. Cylinder નો એક roughly case આપું છું. Just try to listen. અને હું solve કરું છું સામે. આ જ વસ્તુ તમારે roughly solve કરવાની છે આજે. ઓકે, અથવા જો તમારી પાસે સ્કેચબુક છે અને સેટ સ્ક્વેર છે, જો તમે રૂમે નથી રહેતા, you are in home, right? So do solve, right? And definitely this type of question asked in your university examination. તમને આપ્યો છે યુનિવર્સિટી પેપરનો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, that is from the your university paper. And suppose the height is given to you 70 mm, right? And another things, but diameter is given to you, for example 30 mm, right? 30 mm. And one more thing is given to you, cutting edge, right? Cutting edge in the sense the cylinder is now cut, right? Cutting edge is also given to you um, as per the given figure, right? Figure તમને આપી દીધી છે, the figure is given, correct? So this is your problem that now you need to solve, right? And it's clearly mentioned this is the development of surface and develop the surface, or the word like was flat the patterns or unfold the things, right? So that this is the case from the development of surface, okay? Development of surface. So what to do? First of all, how much diameter is given to you? Here is the mistake. Diameter, diameter, this is the diameter, right? 30 diameter. First, what to do? First, draw the circle. Doing quickly, circle having a diameter of 30. Clear? In your sketchbook. Listen carefully, all of you. And this settings. Yes. 35 participant. Yes, good. Right, and then anu x y line. This is your xy line, correct? This is the xy line. Now next, what to do? Can you give me the answer? શું કરવું હવે આને? Make 12 equal part. How many?
12 equal part.
Yes. If you don't have a time in your examination, just do 8 part. Okay. So I'm right now making 8 part. So આ part કેટલાનો હશે? How much angle for this? 45 degree. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Yes. Right. So this is the my part. Now next things, give the name of this. And after our practice start to make sure you have to give the name from the your left hand side. Okay. So this is the capital A. This is the capital A. Your capital A. Correct? And નામ આપણે કેવી રીતે આપશું? In this directions, group and clockwise direction. This is your B. Correct? This is the B. This is the C. This one is your D, E, F, G, H. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
સર નામ આવી શકે?
તમારો અવાજ કટ થઈને આવ્યો, ફરીથી બોલો તો કઈ પૂછતું હતું.
સર
Hello.
નામ કોઈ બી બાજુથી આપી શકાય ને?
હા ચાલશે,
Hello.
કોઈ વાંધો નથી. નો પ્રોબ્લેમ ચાલશે, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. અને તમને હાઈટ આપી છે. હાઈટ ઇઝ ગિવન ટુ યુ હાઉ મચ 70
70.
હાઈટ ઇઝ યસ 70 તમને આપી છે. સો ફ્રોમ ધીસ બેઝ XY પ્લેન ઉપર એનું પોઝિશન્સ આપી છે તમને, XP ઉપર છે. સો ધેટ ઇઝ ધી 70 તમે મારી રીતે બનાવી, યુ જસ્ટ ડ્રો વિથ ધી હેલ્પ ઓફ યોર sketch pencil, right? So this is your height, and this I mentioned this is not required, this is again not required. So this is the exact projection, right? Height of way to 60 kar nakjo, no problem, right? Height you have to say 60 in your sketchbook, right? So અહીંયા કેવી રીતે નામ આપીશ? હવે નામ મેઇન ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વસ્તુ નામ આપવાની છે. નામમાં કોઈ ભૂલ થશે, if you have a mistake in your nomenclature, so problem thase. So make sure this is the projection for this is the projection for A, correct? So આપણે આને શું કરી દઈશું? A dash. A dash. Small આપી દેશો ચાલશે. You can say this is the small a. Now this is I say A dash, right? હવે આ point શું થશે? આ point give me answer. શું થશે?
B dash.
B
Dash.
dash and H dash, correct? B dash and H dash. And a point શું થશે? A point
G dash.
G dash and
H dash. H C C.
yes,
C dash.
correct. No problem. C dash. Just. Now this is your F dash.
F.
F and D.
And D dash.
This is the F dash and D dash.
C dash. C dash.
And this
સર કોઈ
point
પણ એક
last
નામ આપે ચાલે નહીં?
કોઈ પણ ના આનું રીઝન હમણાં બતાવું તમને ના ચાલે ઇટ્સ રિક્વાયર્ડ અને આ લાસ્ટ જે તમે શું કન્સિડર કરશો ઈડેસ ડેસ નામ આપો છો કરેક્ટ અને આ બધે બધાનો કોપી કરી લો છું so just write for you you need to write that things okay you need to write at this point also correct now હવે this is bisection એટલે કે તમને જે આ ફિગર આપી છે કેવી છે થોડીક હું કોમ્પ્લિકેટેડ બનાવું છું કરેક્ટ XL આ રીતની આપી છે 30 ડિગ્રી નો 45 ડિગ્રી અહીંથી કટ કર્યું છે 30 ડિગ્રી અહીંથી કટ કર્યું સો ફ્રેમ આ રીતે કટિંગ એજ this is the my cutting edge correct so this red line is the my cutting edge this red line is the my cutting edge એટલે કે સિલિન્ડર ને અહીંથી કટ કર્યો one more things હજી સિલિન્ડર ને કટ કરું છું XL more આ જગ્યાએ આ છે સપોઝ કે IT અપ છે 30 mm અને આ પોઈન્ટ સાથે so this is also my cutting edge correct so this type of cylinder is given to you this is the cut portion this is the cut portion this is again cut portion correct so how to draw the projection of this so first of all you just make projection of this upper portion of the cylinder and then have to give the name appropriately this is the A you need to give the name again this point is A dash and save name A small a it is compulsory you need to write small right what about this for this point is B dash
B dash
as well
H
as
dash.
very good
H dash.
B dash H dash right and this one is
G dash C dash.
exactly
સર
G
આમાં
dash.
ક્વેશ્ચન માં આપેલું છે કે કેટલા એંગલ થી કટ કરવાનું
હા આપેલું હશે ના આ ફિગર જ આપી હશે અત્યારે હું જે બનાવું છું ને that is given to you
Okay.
otherwise if single line is there then તમને કીધું હશે from the point or from the center point 60 degree 45 degree to VP એવું કીધું હશે definitely
ઓકે
correct now આ એક પ્રોસિજર તમને સમજાય ઓકે 100 આમાં ટાઈમ આપીશ મારી પાસે રેડીમેડ છે આ વસ્તુ ડ્રો કરેલી એટલે નથી તમારી સામે ઓપન કરતો અત્યારે તમે સમજી હા હા યસ ડન ઓકે ડન ના એવી રીતે નહીં હમણાં જ ઓપન કરીશ and this is the F dash D dash and this is the શું નામ આવશે આનું E dash okay this is E dash this is the your name હવે અહીંયા શું નામ આવશે કેજો મને what is the name this is the cutting this capital D dash so this will be the my E dash right what about this point this
Small
point
a
is yes small F dash D dash What about this point? So this is the, again, this point is C dash C dash. And what about this point? Apa itna usu guys?
B dash.
Two guys? Yes,
B
exactly.
dash.
B dash H dash. And what about the this point? This is the cutting from this.
A
This
dash.
is the A dash. So this is the my cutted portion of this, first from of this. Correct. Now I need to draw the development of surface. Development to pela mana without cutting cylinder no development kem thase, anybody know? Without cutting. My question is that,
Rectangle.
yes, without, very good. Without cutting, the cylinder is like this, right? Correct.
Rectangle.
And what about the, yes, width of this? What about the width of this for cylinder? Suppose I said this is the my vertical line, cutted portion, right? So I think I am how much width of this? Height is definitely L. Height is definitely L. What about the width? What about the width? Width કેટલી આવશે?
Pi D.
Pi into D. That's good. Yes. So this width I am asking about. Are you sleeping? I think all of you.
Nah, sir.
Yes. આ કેટલું આવશે? This will be the pi.
Yes,
Pi
sir.
into D.
Yeah. So give me the answer. Right. So what about the D? D can know. This is the D. D is
Circle.
how much? કેટલું આપ્યો છે? I don't know.
20 mm.
30 mm. And what
30.
about the pi? Pi is
3.14.
yes. So give me the answer if you have a calculator.
$94.2.
94.
94.2.
94.2 mm. Am I right or wrong?
Yes,
Barabar
sir.
છે? Yes. So I need to draw one more line, that is the 94. Yes. Anybody want to unmute yourself? કોઈને હોય તો just raise your hand. We are total 37 students right now. 42 out of that 4 is again left. I have every record of each second, right? Every record of each second. Yes. Now offset કેટલો આપું? 92.1 answer આવ્યો તો?
354.2.
92.
94.2.
Okay. That's it. Right. Correct. So this is your development of cylinder. Yes, it's done. It's over. This is the, if you want to make the cylinder flatten, right? So this is the development of cylinder. If you fold it, this become like this. This is the your prism. But the thing is that this is the cutting portion. This point, this point, this point, this point, this point, right? So what to do next? Next is what you
8
need
parts.
to divide. Yes, very good, in 8 parts. So થોડોક speed માં જાઓ, right? 8 part. 8 part કેવી રીતે કરીશ? I have a calculator. 94 point કેટલા હતા? 94.2
94.2.
upon
Divided by 8.
11.775.
yes, exactly. So તમારી પાસે પરિકર છે, you have a compass. You just open your arc up to 11.7,
7.
right? 1
Yes,
2
sir.
3 4. You just make the arc and make the division of circle, right? So you can get your 8 equal part, right? Okay, 8 part of કેટલા? That we have to decide, right? That you have to decide. This is the pi d, correct? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Suppose કે 12 પાડ્યા હોત તો તમારે કેટલા કરવા પડે આપણે? That you have to decide. 12. Okay, now I am just copy and paste. હમણાં ઓલા ભાઈનો આન્સર મળી જશે, right? A, this is the A. You have open your cylinder from your left hand side. You can open from anywhere. Look, in development of surface you can open your cylinder from G also, correct? But I am opening the cylinder as a from the A, right? So this is your D. This is your D. This is your point E, right? This is your point of F. This is your point of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Right now, this is your point of G. This is your point of H. Okay, and this is again point of your A. Correct? It's easy now. This is the same procedure for any development of surface. Any development of surface. Right? Now, what to do next? I just change my line. I make the projection of this and give me the highlight. What to do next? I do projection. Yes, exactly. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4. This is the generators. Right? 1, 2, 3. एक बार क्वेश्चन पूछो तो मना जैसे एक नाम अभी नो चला है. Yes or no? Right? Now is the answer. This is the A. Okay? I'm using point to naam not lagto to save the time. You just give the naam laki na chalo, no problem. This is the your A. Right? This is your A point. A point is intersecting AH. Is there anywhere in A? This is the sorry, this is not A, but this is your this is the B, but your A is to this point. This is also A. This one is A. This one, because your cylinder is cut at the base. That's why the B dash. Where is the B? So here is your B dash. Only B, not H, not H. Okay. Now your concept is clear. So this process is copy for every development of surface, right? Where is the H? This is your H. So here you have to distribute your nomenclature. Yes. Now understand why I say here B as well as H. This is the B dash, H dash. This is the distributed over here is B and over here is H dash respectively. And now C. This is the C and this is the C. Here I just remove because I copy and paste. That's why. But for you, it's very easy to understand. Now this is your C dash. Where is the my D and F? Just copy. You just make the name. તમારે મારા કરતા ઓછી વાર લાગશે definitely, right? Because I am handling the software. For you, you have a manual work, right? This is your F dash and this is your D dash. So it's very easy to construct your development of surface if you are prepared with your concept. This is the F. If I am right, and what is the remaining things? E dash. So this is the my respective point E dash. This E cutted over here. So this will be the my E. Okay. And for you, this is the units. For you, it's a point. And yes, this is your point. 1. Oh, very much. 2 down. 1, 2. Yes, this is your point of A, B, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, H dash, and again this is the A dash. I forget, but it is compulsory. You have to put your close for the development of surface. Point of contact. Same task can I do for this, or can I mark just point? No, it's easy. Yes, naam not lagto for having the my time, but I just make the points like you.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yes, this is the your A dash. This is the your B dash. This is your where is the C? Yes, this is the C. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the D. I think this is the E. Again F chair. Yes, F is available. Yes, F is available. Yes, where is the G? Up. G is top side.
Up.
And A, B, C, D, G, H. Where is the H? H is
Third line. third line.
Okay, yes, but you can find easily in your sketchbook, right, compared to me.
Yes, sir.
Right, I'm not giving the name for the save the time. So now what to do, you have to join this respectively, right, using smooth freehand sketch or using French curve, right. When our college started the time, I will give you how to use your French curve. French curve is available in your 30 degrees as well, right. Look, this is the freehand sketch for you, right. You can see this is the your freehand sketch. So, and correct, this is the freehand sketch.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm using same technique to join this my A point. Consider here is A point, B point, this is your C point, this is your D point, this is your E point, E, this is your, it's very smooth, not like me, but you have to make the very smooth curve, right. And mm, this is good, this is good, this is not good. Yes, this should just go in downside. Okay, this is now, this is not again good. So make smooth as possible, make smooth. Here is I get, where is the edge point, here is the, I think this edge is okay. No, it's okay, perfect, sir.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
A, B, C, F, G, H. Okay, no problem. It's perfect. Now, this is my projection. But what to do? It's highlighted ones, right? This is the curve. Yes, little dark. This is, I use 2H pencil for this. Okay. And now this is your little bit dark one. This one is the darker one. Make it dark, right, make it dark and match the property this to this curve, to this curve, this line, and this line is, this line is not required, right. You do not need to rough it because we are using 2H pencil, right. So this is the development of surface. Here what is the dark one, this one, this is the, your cutting edges need to make the dark. This is cutting edge, this cutting edge, this end edge, no need to dark this generators, right. Yes, and you need to dark this, no need to dark this generators, correct. This is it dark. આ વચ્ચેના જે પાર્ટ પડ્યા છે ને ડાર્ક કરવાની જરૂર નથી, there is a no requirement, correct. And now this is your lighter one, this is your lighter one, this is the till now, right. And here is the light line is also available. Yes, match the property, and this is your entire problem. If, correct. So this is your answer. આમાં તમને ડાર્ક દેખાય છે આમાં?
Yes, sir.
This, yes. So if you say to your labor, if you are working in industry, right, this portion, if you cut this portion from the metals of strip plate, right, this is your development of surface, correct. And you can manufacture this type of things if you unfold. If you unfold, then you can get this development of surface, and if you fold, you can get your final product. Correct? Ours?
Yes, sir.
Ours? Okay. Yes. Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
હવે એટલી વાર નહીં લાગે તમને સમજતા. So this is the game. All the game is projection, and the projection. If I make wrong projection to this point and I testing over there, so what happens, right? So ખોટા નામ આપ્યા તમે, ખોટું projections લીધું, then you cannot get your perfect answer, correct.
બગા ચાવો છે રોને
કોને આવે છે
વરુણ યાર.
એમાં મને
વરુણ
વરુણને નહીં આવતા
કોલેજ ચાલુ તો આવજો.
વરુણ ને આજ મન નહીં આયા.
વરુણભાઈ આવી ગયા?
આવી ગયા પબજી પૂરી થઈ ગઈ.
ના ના સર તમારા લેક્ચર નો ટાઈમ નતો ખબર સર
Okay,
ऐसे
now
कैसे
next
चलेगा
case.
दीदी
Yes, listen, no need to discuss, keep silent. Just give me my answer. Right, prism. What is the difference between cylinder and prism? Right, prism having a the base
Point.
as well as
Triangle.
bottom. No problem, listen to me. Base as well as bottom is polygon.
Polygon.
Right,
Yes,
in the sense, suppose I say this is your uh,
પ્રિઝમ
prism. Right? This is your prism. Then here you just replace your things and copy and then paste. Right here I replace, instead of this I am replacing with one pentagon, right, one hexagon, correct. But the thing is that the difference is what? Suppose pentagon, this is the pentagon. Listen, I must change about you, try to understand. Instead of cylinder, this is the pentagon prism, correct? Pentagon prism. So what is the change? Listen carefully. Here your base is like this pentagon, correct? Your top portion is become like this. Edges need to make the dark, you need to make dark or thick this line also, because this is the edge, not the generator. And last things, you are joining not using your smooth curve. No need to use the smooth curve. You need to join by your set square. Need to join this A to B by set square, B to C by set square, B.
સ્ટ્રેટ લાઈન
What about the development? If your pentagon is there, so you need, for example, pentagon having a 30 side, right? Then you need to open 30 by 5 times. No need to use pi d, correct? 1 2 3 4
Yes, sir.
and 5. The name is A B C D
ડી
E and
એફ
A. F no આવે. A.
હા સર એ પાછો જોઈન થઈ જાય ને
Yes, exactly, correct. Got my point. So now this is your prism pentagon pyramid, correct?
સર
Okay, so you need to draw pentagon first. This is your XY line, correct? And here we are putting your pentagon. Pentagon 5, base H 30.
ટ્રેન ક્યાં જાય છે
गोता
બહુ અવાજ કરે છે ટ્રેન
सीता कौन है?
હા શું ભાઈ
Yes, this is your pentagon. There's no need to discuss internally. Keep silence.
ઓકે
Yes. This is your pentagon, correct? And what about the view of um, pyramid, right? I'm considering pyramid, right? So pyramid में height कम नहीं पीजिए, correct? So this is your projection line, axial vertical. What to do? आटमा draw करवाना है. Listen carefully, right? This is the projection. What about the center point? Center point also, because pyramid is like this. Where is the pyramid? Yes, pyramid is like this. Look,
સીધું નહીં ડ્રો કરવાનું પેન્ટાગોન
correct? This is your pentagon. So you need to find the center of pentagon also, right? You need to find the center of also. So how to find the center? You just draw a line from the center of this. This is your center, correct? From this to this and this to center of this. Right? So
ઇન્ટરસેક્ટિંગ
this
લાઈન
here is XL vertical. Correct. So this is the your O point, or we can say the center of the pyramid. Yes, level one. No, this point to this midpoint and this point to this midpoint. You can get the center of this. Okay. Now and look, height of this is given to you 60 mm, 50 mm, whatever. Just draw the one point. 70. Right. So from this point, you need to draw your edges. Pyramid કેવી રીતે બનશે? Pyramid. This is your center point.
Sir, define.
Yes.
So बोले
From this point. This is your pyramid.
Okay.
Correct? This is your pyramid, and this is your base of pyramid. This is the projection. You no need to go there for the eraser. મારે અત્યારે erase કરવો છે. So this is the my pentagon pyramid. Correct? This is the again projection. Okay, projection બાકી છે. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, give the name. Give the name. I'm just copying, but you need to give the name. This is the your A point. This is the B, C, D, and E, and this is your O point. This one is your E point. This is your B point. Right. I solve કરું છું તમારી સામે તમે બધા points આવડી જશે. B, C, right, and then this is your D, and I give the name of center is a O. As a O. Correct. So this is the O point, and this again I make the copy from this. This is the O dash. This is the yes A dash. This is the A dash. This is the E and B dash, and this one is O. No need to give name. O dash, and this is D and E dash. This is the your D dash, E dash. Right. This is the your O dash. Okay. And this is the Soja E and E.
B and E dash.
D. E dash. E dash.
અહીંયા D નહીં આવતું.
D ના આવે ને સર અહીંયા.
અહીંયા C D આવશે.
C ને D આવે.
C and D.
Yes. અહીંયા આવશે.
લાસ્ટમાં C આવે.
C
એની
આવે.
જગ્યાએ C કરી દો.
Yes. એની જગ્યાએ C ચાલશે. Correct. You are right. Right. So this is the projection of pentagon. And now how to make the development of surface. How to make development of surface? I'm giving you the procedure. First of all, from this line, and listen carefully. First of all, from this line, draw one line, very light, from any point. You just set your, consider this is O dash point, and this is the O point, right? Simple straight line, and draw a arc having a length of
O dash
this
A.
L. Yes, exactly. And this is your true length. This is known as the true length. O dash to A. Very good. Right. Then O dash to A. This will be your true length. True length, and make one arc. Arc dimension unlimited. This is not your cone case. In case of cone, you need to determine the theta. Am I right?
R by L into 360.
Yes. But right now, this is the pyramid. So what is the pyramid? Pyramid is the simple polygon, right?
Yes.
So this is the A, the mark A to B. This is, for example, 30 mm. From this, this is your A, correct? Mark your point here. Here is B. Then after next point C. Then after D. Then after E. Then after
and then after A.
A. That's over.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Speed
Join
માં જાવ
O
છો.
to M.
Correct? એટલે હું ડ્રો નથી કરતો. giving you speed.
સર રેન્ડમ માર્ક મારી છે કે કોઈ લેન્થ
રેન્ડમ નહીં, ડાયમેન્શન મેં આનું લીધું છે, ડાયમેન્શન
A to E
It's
નું A to E.
One
A to
side
B
of
is equal to dimension of sides. Side 30 mm is given to you.
ગોટ ઇટ સર.
okay, okay, sir. Okay.
આ કર્વ
30
રેન્ડમ છે સર આ કર્વ
હા, કર્ડ કેટલો છે? ટ્રુ લેન્થ જેટલો.
48.
40. What I said is.
ઓકે
Where? Oh, this is your length, true length.
Yes, sir.
Measure with the help of your compass. Mark one arc over here.
and
Okay.
extend
Then
Yes, sir.
measure up to this AB or
A to
A,
B.
whatever. Yes. So this is your A. Next point, and
B
then upwards.
C D E A.
અને
તમારે રફ નથી કરવાનું, ચાલશે. Draw this,
okay.
draw this, draw this, draw this, and draw this. Correct. So this is the
Projection.
development. No, development of
Development of-
surface.
Surface.
Surface is development of pyramid.
Pyramid sir.
Correct. Now,
Yes, sir.
one more thing is given to you in this. Your cutting edge. Cutting edge is given to you 60 degree to HP and bisect the axis. In the sense, this is your axis. This is your axis. Go to
60 degree.
Codes tool. This is the for example, this is 70 mm. Okay. So at 35 mm.
બાયસેક્ટ એક્સિસ એટલે શું થાય?
Bisect એટલે અડધો.
અડધું
35
કરવાનું
mm. From this, you have to make one line which is like this, and which is from this point with 60 degree angle. Correct.
yes sir.
So now I am doing live cast for this because this is your axis. Axis. The dimension of this is how much that I need to check. That is the 70, right? Go 35 mm upside, right? 35 mm and make one 60. આ કોણ કરે? એક જ minute.
નિહાર ભાઈ
મ્યુટ કરી દો.
માઇક બંધ કરી દેજો કોઈનું અવાજ
કરી
આવે
દીધું,
છે
કરી દીધું.
વધારે
નિશાન મેં
નિહાર
કરી
ભાઈ
દીધું,
જો
કરી દીધું. Yes, and now this is the your degree cutting edge. This is your
મેડમનું માઇક ઓફ છે પણ વિડિયો ચાલુ.
કોઈ વાંધો નહીં. નિશાન look, this is your cutting edge. Correct. Cutting edge કેવી રીતે આવી idea આવ્યો? Are you able to understand how the cutting edge is
Yes,
come?
હા સર.
Yes. So now make the projections. Make the projection. 1 second, Nicola. Represents. Make the projection of this cutting edge. Right. Make the projection of this cutting edge. જોવું અત્યારે ઝીલ આવ્યા છે, ઝીલ ને અનમ્યુટ કરું છું. અનમ્યુટ કરો તો ઝીલ ભાઈ. યસ છે, યસ યસ. બસ કાંઈ નહીં, ખાલી અનમ્યુટ રાખો, જવાબ આપતા રહેજો. Your session is near to end. It's required only 5 to 10 minutes.
અટેન્ડન્સ પૂરવા લાગે છે
પૂરાઈ ગઈ. Yes. So this is your point. There, this give the name of this point also. That is the copy here. You have to mention the name. This is the 1, for example. 1 as and 2. Why? Because they are 1 and 2. Correct. આને નામ હું આપીશ, આને શું નામ આપું? What I give the name to this? B dash, B dash,
E dash.
B dash, E dash. Small
Yes.
house.
Small,
Right?
small.
Small B dash and E dash.
Dash.
That's the B dash, E dash. Now next this generator ने cut करे जा. Okay, करे जा. Generator, this is the O dash. Okay. And now this, sorry, this is not a generator, this is axis. And this is the true length. True length ने क्या cut करे जा? At this point. And so now office.
D dash, C dash.
Yeah, exactly. D dash and C dash.
C dash.
That's it. Now trim. I'm making the trim to this. Taking to trim this. Not required. Not required. And the cutting edge should be like not this. I need to load the line. Set line. This is the cutting line. This.
Yes, line.
આ જો સર
સર એક મિનિટ વચ્ચે તમારે રોકું છું.
Phantom.
શું થયું? હા હા
સર એક
બોલો બોલો.
હર્ષ પટેલ કરીને છે, એની જોડે નેટ ઓછું છે, સર એ જાય છે.
કોઈ વાંધો નહીં, એને આપણે આપી દઈશું. કોઈ વાંધો નહીં, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ.
સર એ હતો જોતો તો પણ હવે નેટ પતી ગયું છે તો એ જાય છે
Okay.
હવે.
નો પ્રોબ્લેમ, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. રાઈટ, હું આપી દઈશ.
સર બધાને
હા, એ વાત સાચી. યુ આર રાઈટ. This is your different 1 2 B dash, O dash, D dash, C dash. કરેક્ટ? આ રીતે નામ આપી દેજો.
મારે પતિ
ક્લિયર? ક્લિયર? ઓકે, વાંધો નહીં. કેટલું બધાને હોય તો હવે કાલે મળશું. નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. યુ હેવ ટુ મીટ ટુમોરો.
એમ તો થશે.
દૂધ રાખો.
ઘરે જૂઠું બોલે છે.
હા ભાઈ.
Now it's near to end. Look, listen. This is the important things. This point is important. How to correlate in your development of surface. Suppose, look, this is your development of surface. This is the O point. This is the true length, right? And this is your A. This is your B, C, D, next E, and this A point. Correct? You are joining this. Joining this. And one more important things. Listen carefully. In like cone, this is not cone, it's a pyramid. So तुम्हारा A to B point केवी रीते join करवाना है? Straight.
Line. Straight
Yes.
line.
ટ્રાયંગ્યુલર ફેસ હોય.
Correct. B to C, C to
Yes,
D,
sir.
to A to E. એટલે આ કેવું આવશે? Using your set square. Next thing, તમે point આ બધા અહીંથી મૂકી દેશો with the help of these.
સર
Yes.
આ 1 2 વાળી લાઈન ક્યાં કેવી રીતના ડ્રો કરી હતી?
Yes. આ point ખબર પડી ગઈ મને.
એ 60 degree.
D dash, C dash. No.
હા.
This is the your listen. This is the your D dash, C dash. Correct. From this to this make D dash and C dash. This is your D dash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is your C dash. થોડીક સ્પીડ કરો જો to cooperate me.
sir.
Right, here your O dash. આ true length ઉપરથી જ આર કાપવાની, sorry, true length ઉપરથી જ મેઝર કરવાનું always. Yes, yes, O થી જ, capital O થી જ. Then this is your B dash, E dash. You have to measure from this and paste over here. એટલે કે મારો હવે next point કયો આવશે? CD is done. Now O. Where is the O? O તમારે આ જે છે એને મેઝર કરીને સેન્ટર માં લઈ જવું પડશે, અને ઇકોની વચ્ચે આવે છે. That you need to see. હમણાં જોઈએ. And then B dash, E dash. From this O to B dash. Where is the B dash? Here. Here is your B dash. And here is your E dash. Correct? હવે બાકી શું છે એ મને કહો તમે. તો કે 1 2 બોલો, 1 2 બાકી કયો?
Yes.
Yes, 1 2 ક્યાંથી મળશે? એનું તમારે પ્રોજેક્શન ક્યાં લેવું પડશે? In down side. અહીંથી નીચે simply અને simple projection નીચે. This is the your important things. Here give the name. Here you have to give the name 1 dash. Here you give the name 2 dash. Okay?
2 dash.
Correct?
Okay.
Now from A to 1 dash, measure A to 1 dash and put at this is your O, this is your A, correct? This is your B, then this C, then this is your B, and this is available, this point is intersecting A and B to 2 dash and A and E to 1 dash. So A to B is 2 dash, measure this and put at this line here, you have to put 2 dash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and here is D, here is E, and here is again A. So this measure A to E, measure A to E and put over here, and this give the name A dash.
1 dash.
Correct? Yes, sorry, 1 dash.
One.
Correct?
Yes.
Now your development of surface.
Okay.
Here is the, yes, here is your B dash, here is your C dash, this is your D, and this is your here is your E. Now your development of surface is start from A. Sorry, where is the my ball pen? Green, not yes. Start is from A dash, okay, and end up to 2 dash. Then join this using your set square straightly. Why? Because this is your pyramid, it's not your cone. A
Yes,
2 dash
sir.
to B, B to C, C to D dash,
D to
D
E.
to E dash, E to 2. So this is your darkened portion. This green is your darkened portion, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you understand how to get this 2 point? 1 point,
Yes, sir.
you just make the projection of this in this edge, measure this and put over here. Everything's work using set square. Listen carefully, last my things for today. For pyramid and prism, in your development of surface, you need to give, you need to use the set square to join your point of cutting. And for cone and for cylinder,
Cylinder.
correct, you need to
Freehand.
use
Freehand
your,
square.
yes, very good, smoother, in the sense the freehand square, freehand sketch, like
Free
ellipse.
and sketch.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
for today. Yeah, so tomorrow I am giving you my time at the evening, right? So you have to join me for chapter,
Yeah.
for revision of 5 to 10 minute revision for this, and chapter number AutoCAD number 9, I think, right? It's 9. This is very important. And tomorrow you have to online with your ball pen and pen. There is no requirement of your set squares, pencils. Come with ball pen and the notebook, right? It's purely theory. If
Sir,
you
draw करो ना.
attend my tomorrow session, if you attend my tomorrow session, you got this definitely, correct? And that
સર
is
તમે
not
સ્ક્રીન
available.
રેકોર્ડ શેર કરી દેજો ને.
કરી દઈશ હું YouTube પર મૂકી દઈશ, no worry. Correct.
તો વાંધો નહીં.
PPT માં
Compress કરીને મૂકી
સર આ
દઈશ.
PPT માં હશે
ના નહીં હોય. કયું?
આઈડિયો આજે
તમે
છે
સર તમારા
આજે કર્યું કે આવતીકાલે કરશો?
આજે કર્યું છે
આજે કર્યું હશે PPT માં, બુકમાં હશે, બધામાં હશે. યસ, PPT મેં
સર
જે
કંઈક
કરી
પાસ
છે,
આપવાના હતા ને તમે.
યસ, આ હું તમને WhatsApp માં આપીશ. હમણાં આ જે છે ને પ્રોબ્લેમ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ, આઈ એમ જસ્ટ રાઇટિંગ માય પ્રોબ્લેમ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ ફોર 4 ટાસ્ક. આના ટાસ્ક આ ટાસ્ક આપીશ તમને.
સર YouTube માં મૂકી દેજો.
ત્યાં મૂકી દઈશ. ઓકે, સી યુ ધેન ઓલ ઓફ યુ. બાય. બેસ્ટ ઓફ લક.
Okay, sir.
સો આપીશ કાલનો ટાઈમ, બરોબર? કાલનો ટાઈમ. ઓકે, સો મેક યોર
Sure,
લાઈફ.
sir.
Okay, bye bye. Goodbye. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Good day.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Welcome.
Sir, thank you.
have a great day
એજન્ટ થઈ ગઈ બધા.
Bye.
Bye bye all.
જાવ હવે.
Yes.